Like to demonstrate the donning and doffing methods in easy steps for the protection of our healthcare workers working in COVID designated areas. Donning or wearing the personal protective equipment must be performed outside the COVID ward in the donning designated area. Healthcare worker must take a meal, go to the washroom and drink water prior to entering the donning area. Remove all accessories like jewelry, watch, wallet, mobile phones, etc. and change into clean hospital scrubs. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. First, perform hand hygiene. Wear the first pair of gloves, which may be sterile or unsterile. Make sure that the cuff of the glove goes as far as possible. Examine the coverall suit for any damage, including tears. Start by wearing the leg sleeves. Then the arm sleeves. And zip up. Cover the zip with the flap attached over the zip. Now sit on a clean chair and wear the shoe covers and pull them up till your calves. Hold the N95 mask like a cup in your hand with both the straps hanging out in the front. Place the mask on your face. Pull and wear the lower strap first, placing it below your ears. Then pull and wear the upper strap, placing it above your ears. The most important step is to check that there should not be more than minimal air leakage around the mask when forcibly exhaling. Now wear the hood covering the forehead and the cheeks. Now wear the face shield over the hood and ensure the fit. Tighten or loosen the face shield with the help of the screw at the back. Now wear the second pair of gloves. Pull them to cover the sleeve cuff and forearms as much as possible. You are now ready to enter the COVID area. Doffing or taking off the personal protective equipment must be done in the designated doffing area having red biomedical waste bins labeled separately for each type of PPE. There should be 2 chairs labeled as clean and dirty, preferably made of plastic or metal, which are easy to disinfect. It is very essential to perform each step with utmost care and slowly so as to not generate any aerosol. Perform the hand hygiene after each step. Take the help of the observer to check for any leaks or tear in the personal protective equipment. During the entire doffing procedure, the observer must not touch your PPE. Inspect your PPE for any gross contamination, which could be disinfected with the help of alcohol-based wipes. Disinfect your gloves with alcohol-based hand rub. It should be ideally dispensed from an automated system with the help of your buddy or by pressing the nozzle with your elbow to prevent any contamination. Sit on the dirty chair with legs apart. Remove the shoe covers by slowly pulling the outer surface, starting from the top, and then pull them from the toes end. Try not to cross over your legs while sitting. Discard them in the red bin. Disinfect the outer gloves. Next step is to remove the outer pair of gloves. Be careful so as to not tear or contaminate the inner glove. Pinch the first glove on the outer surface at the wrist and pull it inside out. Hold this glove in the other hand like a ball. Now slide your thumb inside the other glove and remove inside out, balling around the previous glove, making it into a single bag. Now disinfect the inner gloves. Loosen the face shield by adjusting the screw and remove by holding it from the back handle. Discard in the labeled bin. Now disinfect the inner gloves. First, slide back the hood by holding it from the top. Separate the zip flap and unzip the coverall suit. Holding the suit at the arms, slide it off the shoulders slightly. Then pull the suit from the side of the waist and roll your arms out one. By touching the inner surface of the suit, carefully roll out each leg. And discard it in the designated bin. Disinfect the inner gloves. Now carefully remove the inner pair of gloves as previously described. Perform hand hygiene by using the 6 steps of hand wash. Now wear a new pair of gloves before removing the mask. Do not touch the exposed surface of the mask. Stoop forward and first remove the lower strap. Then carefully remove the mask by pulling out the upper strap. Disinfect your gloves again. Using alcohol wipes, clean the outer surface of your shoes while sitting on a clean chair. Again, disinfect the gloves. Now remove the last pair of gloves. Perform hand hygiene again. Now you're ready to exit the doffing area. Wipe your shoes on a sodium hypochlorite soaked doormat at the exit.